you guys are curious to know how you can change up the design of a knot pattern using colored cord, then stay tuned to find out. It's Nicole here and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. This is where you will find everything macrame related. We release a lot of macrame DIY pattern tutorials. We also release a lot of tips and tricks that will help you with your macrame journey. So if you guys are interested in learning macrame with me, then click that subscribe button and then also give this video a big thumbs up. So you guys may or may not have heard of the fishtail braid, or in other words, the 4-ply braid. This is where you take 4 strands of cord or 4 groups of cords and you weave them into a braided pattern that resembles a fishtail. The fishtail braid is great for incorporating into your projects that have 4 strands of cord or groups of cords and multiples of 4. What we did differently for this particular braid is we used 2 different colors of cord to make the fishtail braid, and then you can see that by using 2 different colors, there's alternating colors in the fishtail braid, which changes up the design of the braid. I've also changed it up a second way with the positioning of the colored cords so that as you make the fishtail braid, each group has 1 of each color. If you guys are interested in learning more knots and sennets, we do have a free 50 knots and sennets ebook for download over on BOCHIKNOT.com. We also have a 2-for-1 cord deal on a premium single strand cord for new subscribers as well. So if you guys are interested in getting your hands on a free ebook and also some premium cord at a discounted price, then head on over to BOCHIKNOT.com for further details. And with all of that said, let's get right into it. For this demonstration, I have used 4 strands of cord at 150 centimeters long each, 2 of which are in a different color. So I've placed 2 of the same color on the left side and 2 of another color on the right side. Separate out the cords into 4 groups of 2 cords each. Start with the far left section and place it on top of the section next to it. Then take the 3rd section from the left and place it on top of that. Then take the far right section, place it on top of the 3rd section and underneath the section next to it on the left. And we have now done 1 section of the braid. We're now going to repeat the exact same pattern again. Repeat this pattern downwards as many times as desired. Once you have made several, this is what the pattern should look like. Because we did separate out the color cords, with the left 2 as 1 color and the right 2 as a different color, you will see that there is a candy cane-like pattern that forms. Now say we positioned the color cords slightly differently with the 2 orange cords in the center and the 2 red cords on the left and on the right, and begin the fish braid pattern, you're going to see that the color design of this pattern will change slightly. In the first fishtail pattern we went over, you'll see that each row, the color alternates. By positioning the color cord differently, like how I have done here, you will see that with every row, the colors are the same. And so all we have here are alternating colors. Once you have made several, this is what the pattern should look like. And that concludes our fishtail braid pattern incorporating colored cords. As you can see, by changing up the positioning of the colored cords, it could really change the design of the knotted braid pattern. Same goes with any other knot pattern. By incorporating color into your macrame projects, it can really change the depth and the look of your designs. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for another tutorial on how we incorporated colored cord into another sennit pattern coming soon. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.